Good morning, students. Today we are going to study letter writing. In letter writing, there are two types of letters: formal letter and informal letter. So let us have an introduction of letters, how to write letters. Letter writing is an important topic in English writing skills section for school students. Everyone must know how to write a letter. While writing a formal letter, one has to follow the format of letter writing. A formal letter can be written for various reasons. Here we have entered the format of a formal letter written for different purposes. On the other hand, an informal letter is written to one's friends, family, or relatives. As an informal letter is not an official letter, one does not have to follow the format of an informal letter strictly. Here we will discuss methods of letter writing. Format of formal letter. Format of formal letter includes the following points need to be taken into consideration while writing a formal letter. Number one, a formal letter strictly follows the prescribed format for writing a formal letter. Number two, use of colloquial words, abbreviations, and slang language should be restricted. Restricted means here ban while writing a formal letter. Number three, a formal letter must be precise and to the point. Number four, the subject line is very important in a formal letter. Dear students, let us find out the format of a formal letter, which is given as follows. Number one, sender's address. The address and contact details of the sender are written here. Include an email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question, and left alignment must be maintained. Number two, date. The date is written below the sender's address after leaving one space or line. Number three, receiver's address. The address of the recipient of the mail, the officer, principal, editor, is written here. Number four, the subject of the letter. The main purpose of the letter forms the subject. It must be written in one line. It must convey the matter for which the letter is written. Number five, salutation. Salutation here means sir or respected sir or ma'am. This can be written. Number six, body. Body means here the main body of the letter. The matter of the letter is written here. It is divided into three paragraphs as follows. Para 1, introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. And para 2, give detail of the matter. Para 3, conclude by mentioning what you expect. For example, a solution to your problem, to highlight an issue in the newspaper, etc. Number 7, complimentary closing. And number 8, sender's name, signature, and designation if required. The format of formal letter is as follows. You can see over here the same thing which I have discussed earlier. First of all, you have to maintain the left alignment of the page. And number 1, sender's address. Number 2, date. Number 3, receiver's address. Number 4, subject. Number 5, salutation. Number 6, body of the letter. And next is complimentary closing. And finally, sender's name, signature, and designation. Types of formal letter. Dear students, let us have the types of formal letter. Number 1, letter to the editor. Number 2, letter to the government. Number 3, letter to the police. Number 4, formal letter, format to the principal. Number 5, order letter. Number 6, complaint letter. Number 7, inquiry letter. Number 8, business letter. Number 9, application letter for job. Number 10, letter to the bank manager. Number 11, invitation letter. Number 12, registration letter. Number 13, leave application. Number 14, leave application for marriage. Number 15, leave application for maternity. Dear students, let us have sample of a formal letter. Question is given, write a letter to the mayor of your city seeking a solution to the problem of water logging in your area. You are Raj Rani of Dharma Colony, Ramgarh. This is the question in which name has been given. So first of all, the address 14/8 Dharma Colony, Ramgarh. Next is date. The whole date is given here. It doesn't matter whatever the date. Next is the mayor, ABC Marg, Ramgarh. Next is subject matter, complaint regarding the problem of water logging in Dharma Colony. Next, salutation, sir or madam. Next is I am Raj, a resident of Dharma Colony. The resident of the area are facing a lot of problems due to water logging. Every year in the monsoon season, the area gets filled with water as the drainage system gets choked. We have requested the area committee many times, but the situation is still the same. The residents lives have become miserable as many waterborne diseases have spread. All the houses are submerged and we are facing a tough time. Please consider the issue as seriously and find a solution at the earliest. Yours sincerely, Raz. Thank you and have a nice day.